Yo, what's up guys? It's been a long time since the last time I posted a video of my Z, of my 1993 Nissan 300ZX. It's a two-seater T-tops. But anyways, I want to give a shout out to all those people who have been subscribing to my channel, even though it's kind of everywhere. You know, I post videos of concerts, festivals, or you know, whatever I think it's cool. But anyways, appreciate. I think the last time I did a walk around video was back when I was still NA. So a lot has changed, performance wise. Looks wise, she's still the same. Let's start with the front bumper. I still have the Selin front bumper that came with the car when I got it back in 2011. Trying out this new DSLR camera that I got. She still has the same wheels, the SSR wheels, Executors EX01. I think the only thing has changed was I put a wider tire on the rear. When I got these wheels, I was running a 265/35/18 on the back. This time, I'm running a 295/30/18, slightly wider. You can see it right there. Still rocking that Selin. It's a discontinued wing from Selin Sport. J-spec tail lights. The Twin Z design bolt-on diffuser. I still have the same exhaust, Grady SP1. She looks very good from this angle. I'm still running the same suspension, power tricks, coilovers, power tricks, adjustable arms, still in sway bars for the front and the rear. So she handles pretty good. So yeah, as far as looks, she's still the same. What I really want to concentrate is talking about what's under the hood. So let's go ahead and pop that. Voila. There you go. Kind of have the sun hitting it right now. So yeah, as you can see, my car is twin turbo now. Spring 2018, I decided to build the bottom end. Has 87.5 millimeters Wiseco Pistons. I kept the NA ratio 10.5 to 1 with SCAT Rods for the bearings. King Racing XP the rods, and then for the mains, I got the heads studded, and then also the mains, so with some ARP 2000 studs. What I did, I pulled the engine myself in my house, and then I took it to my buddy's shop, and that's where I assembled it. So what I did, I let the machine shop do the, I guess, the heavy work, I guess you could say, when they bore it out. You know, they clean the block and everything. And then whenever it came back from the machine shop, I was the one who assembled it with the help of Scott Taylor. He has a shop here in Houston. It's called Z-Shack. All they do, they work on Z32s only. So shout out to Scott Taylor and also to Rick Norman. Both of them guys, they run Z-Shack. So yeah, like I said, he was the one that pretty much guided me step by step, but I was the one who physically did all the work. And yeah, I made a video about it. It's not a how-to video, but it's a bunch of videos and photos that I took whenever I was building it. I'll put the link on the description. Whenever I did that, I also decided to put a new timing belt, a new twin turbo OEM oil pump, and then what else? Water pump, also a new timing belt tensioner, everything from Nissan. I'm running stock intercooler piping. These are from Z1, which makes it look pretty, I guess. I do run a fan shroud. I have it in the trunk, but I think last time when I was replacing some belts, I took it off and never put it back. So don't give me shit for that. I normally drive the car maybe on the weekends. When the weather starts to cool down, I'll bring her out some more, like today. As far as intercoolers, I'm running some Z1. They're not the big ones. It's like the next step after stock. Let's see if I can get closer. There we go. As far as the fuel system, I'm running a Wadbro 255 with some Nismo 740cc injectors. I'm running straight E85 since it's all over Houston. I did the filter, brand new lines, might as well since I was there. So all those lines are brand new. The car was also tuned by Scott Taylor from Z-Shack. I'm running some stock automatic turbos, but no, my car is still at 5-speed. I think whenever we put on the dyno, I think she made about 450. Like I said, I'm running stock turbos, so I'm not really concerned about making big numbers. Once I upgrade the turbos, then yeah. But she still runs good. I'm enjoying it. As far as the transmission, I'm still using the 5-speed NA transmission. All I had to do was shave the bell housing. I'm running a OEM twin turbo flywheel with a Specialties Z high 5 clutch. Let's see what else. I should have made a list. If I missed anything, on the description, I'm gonna go more into detail of what the car has. Again, shout out to Z-Shack. They also hook it up with the parts. Besides the shop, they also, you know, they dyno cars, well, Z32s, and then they also have a website where they sell parts. And I think they also got into powder coating. So yeah, hit them up on Facebook. As far as the exhaust, so 2.5 downpipes, 2.5 test pipes, H pipe, and then to my Grady SP1 exhaust. Let me show you guys the interior. Pretty cool, have a Z there. And then look at this. Yeah, it's all in one piece. I'm gonna show you the interior. It's very basic, stock. I haven't done anything to it. Cloth seats. Kind of have the sun hitting the lens right now. Man, I love the interior of this car. Feels like a fighter jet. trying to show the T-tops a little bit with the inside of it. Can't really see. That's the group I represent. I also run the social medias, the Instagram, the fan page. Let's hop in the driver's side. Door panel. The driver's side seat. The only tear it has is right here, which is nothing for the year. It is 1993. Power seats. It all works. I have a simple 1-channel amp for the sub. Thinking of getting the wheel redone. It's showing its age. Let me sit inside. All right. So now you have Byron's view. I have a video on my channel showing the Viper alarm, so I'll include it on the description. It also starts the car, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. And this is the key. Trying to focus it. There we go. So on the first gauge, I have a boost gauge. This is a Innovate Motorsports dual gauge for the AFRs. It shows bank A, bank B. Then on the bottom, I have the fuel pressure gauge. They're not the most expensive gauges, especially these, but they get the job done right now. Over here, hold on, let me change this. I already hooked it up to my USB since that's where I have the music, but let me shut that off. Over here on the bottom, I'm running a Grady Profect V-Spec 2 boost controller. I think I have the low setting set to 15 psi. High boost, I have it set to 20. Right now I just have it on low boost. I know it's kind of bright right now, but I do have blue LEDs on the pods. On the cluster, can't really tell. So on the cluster shows I have 152,406 miles. I'm gonna do the math and I'm gonna put it on the description as far as the miles that the bottom end has, because I remember I took a photo whenever I first started her up. But yeah. Good old Z32. I'm gonna do another walk around to finish the video. I'm gonna also include my social medias on the description. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up. I forgot to mention, but I'm still running the stock 10Y NA heads. I just did like a OEM rebuild. Took them apart, cleaned them up. I replaced the valve stem seals. Let me get close to the engine one more time, to the engine bay. I don't know, I really like the VG30. Some say it's hard to work on. It's actually not too bad. Let me continue walking around. She looks good right now. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys an update of my Z. As far as plans for it right now, I think the next thing might be turbos. Let me close the hood. So like I said, as far as the next plan or big plans for the car might be, like I said, turbos. I'm thinking of some GTX 2860s Gen 2s. I've heard great things about those turbos. But yeah, sun's going down, so I think I'm gonna end the video. I already have the Z on. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. I would include my social medias, like I said, on the description. So go ahead and follow me, hit me up, all that good stuff. Let's put on the seatbelt. And see y'all till next time. Oh, one thing I did forgot to mention, I am running some HKS blowout valves. So I get to do the cool sounds. Alright guys, till next time.